In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online using Google Chrome. First, fire up your Chrome browser and head over to quickbooks.intuit.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks account. Once you've logged in, your next destination is the gear icon, which holds the key to your company's settings. You'll find this icon in the top right corner of your screen. All you need to do is click on it. As you navigate within the settings, look for the section labeled Your Company. Beneath this area, you'll see an option called Chart of Accounts. This is where the magic happens. Click on Chart of Accounts to open it. Now you're ready to find the specific account you want to merge. Carefully go through the list and locate the account that you want to consolidate into another. Spot your account? Great! The next step involves editing it. You'll see a drop-down arrow right next to the account you've chosen. Click on this arrow and a menu will appear. Select Edit from the menu options. Now, here's a crucial part. You need to change the account name. Modify this name so that it matches exactly with the name of the account you wish to merge into. This step is important because QuickBooks uses the account name to determine the merge. Before you move any further, take a moment to ensure the account type and the detail type of both accounts align perfectly. Both aspects must match for the merge to happen smoothly. With the name, account type, and detail type all lined up, you're ready to save your changes. Click on Save and Close, and QuickBooks will take you to a confirmation prompt. This is QuickBooks, just making sure you're aware that you're about to merge these accounts. If you're confident everything is set up correctly, click Yes to confirm. And there you have it. Your accounts are now merged seamlessly, reflecting all the consolidated data under a single account name. Taking the time to merge accounts effectively can truly streamline your accounting processes and give you a clear financial picture. Remember, the key aspects to focus on are ensuring the names, account types, and detail types are identical to facilitate the merge. If this is your first time merging accounts, don't worry if it seems a bit technical. The more you practice, the more familiar it will become. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy accounting!